Welcome Patchworkers, quilters and fellow fabric lovers. Here we are on the Saturday afternoon of Craft Alive at Bendigo. We have had some great starts to the day, this 4-day show. We've got Thursday, Friday and now Saturday and one more day to go. We've had some busy starts, so I've been unable to actually do a little walk around. So while we're at 3:30 in the afternoon, let's do a little walk around and have a look at who's here and some of the store holders, some of the exhibitors that you can actually see. So this is my stand, as you can see. I do my workshops over here at 10, 11, 1 and 2. And then we've got all our pre-cuts that I do import and cut up myself. But let's go for a walk around now and see who is here. All right, let's go around. I'm going to do a little walk around here. Here's Sophie and Andrew, and we've got the button lady. How are we all?
Hello.
I'm just doing a little afternoon walk around.
No problem.
So you want to actually say your business and where you're from?
We're Scrapmatts. We're an Australian manufacturer of chipboard and stencil, so make sure you come down and support all of us.
Yes, and you've got some little make and takes I can do all day long.
Mini classes going on all day.
Wonderful, and we've got...
Yeah, got Shirley from
Shirley,
Buttons and More,
yeah.
and we've got plenty of buttons over here.
I'll walk past it.
and
Yes, you're opposite.
Partner
The
over
other
there,
one's
and she
over
can
there.
tell
Yeah,
you
the
all
other
about it too.
crime
Yeah,
partner. Yes,
all
here
good.
we go. We've got her over here with Buttons and More. We're just doing a little afternoon stroll around saying hello to everyone. Here we go with the Buttons and More. We've got Michelle opposite with Snazzi Scrappin. Hello, Michelle. How are we?
Hi, Narelle. How you going?
Good, just saying how it's been really, really busy, and I haven't had a chance to get around. We're having a great time.
It's been fantastic today.
That's great, yeah. And even the last 2 days, I haven't had a chance. It's had busy starts.
It's good to see you today.
Yes, so we're going to pop around and that. So you're from Dubbo, aren't you?
Yep.
With all your snazzy scrapping bits.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's all right. See you later. We'll walk around. Here's the ladies from Bendigo Brittle. Say hello, how are we? Good, that's good. We've got Beeswax food wraps just coming through because we've had some busy morning starts, so I haven't had a chance to get round. So do you want to just introduce yourself and let us know what you've got?
Hi, I'm just here to make Beeswax food wraps, reusable food covers. Yep.
So instead of using glad wrap?
Yep,
Oh.
fantastic. Good for reducing the plastic in your
Yes.
home and using up your fabric scraps.
Oh, wonderful. All right, thank you so much. And here we go. We're going around. We've got Just Crafts here. How are you, Jeanette, today?
How are you?
That's good. Coming around for an afternoon stroll, I am, just to say hello. And do you want to just say where you're from and your...
I'm located in Kangaroo Flat.
Mm-hmm.
I'm online as well.
Online, yes.
Just
I'll put all
Crafts.
the links below on the little
Lovely.
YouTube, yes.
I do open a home shop on the weekends when I'm not doing shows.
Yes.
So 37 Helm Street, Kangaroo Flat.
There we go. All right, guys, come and see you. Otherwise, we've got another day here at Craft Alive Bendigo.
We do.
Yeah, there we go.
Another big day.
Another big day. We've got Mulberry Lane Quilting over here. Hello, Bev.
Hello, Narelle. How are you?
Good. Just thought I'd do an afternoon stroll rather than a morning one. We're a bit in a relaxed mode after.
We are a bit
yes.
today, yes.
You just want to say where you're the local. So
I am.
yes, we're
Kangaroo Flat,
Yeah.
Caruso Road.
wonderful. And I'll put some links below for your website and
Thank you
everything
very
as
much.
well. So you've got some great things for the show. You've been busy.
We have been very busy.
Yeah, it's been lovely, isn't it? Even with the cold.
Well, it's not quite so cold today.
No.
It's been very pleasant.
That's good. All right, Bev. Well, we've got one more day, so come and see Bev here, down here at Craft Alive in Bendigo. Let's go around. We've got the lovely, because we've got a Christmas theme, we've got the lovely centres with the Christmas happening. And what we're going to do is we're going to walk around. We've got Old Mill Quilting. We've got Stampin Up. Let's have a look. Are we okay? We can actually have a look at some ladies in a workshop. Here we go. So we've got some ladies doing a workshop with Stampin Up at the show, so you can come and sit down and have a look around. We've got some fabric getting cut here. With them, we'll come back and see some of these guys again, but you can actually see lots around here. We've got Scrapbooking Mania. How are we? Hi. Yep, we're having a great show. It's the afternoon stroll I'm doing rather than a morning one. So we're just doing a little afternoon stroll, showing people who's around at Craft Alive at Bendigo. All right, so you can come down, and I've got to show you these books. Can I show them the books? They're absolutely beautiful with the little golden books, and they're turned into beautiful little... Let me see if I can do this with one hand. Here we go. Look at this. They're beautiful little books with the pages and that, but you can use them as notebooks and journals and all that sort of thing. These are absolutely beautiful. So come and see us. I'll put a link for your contact for you down below in the description. All right, and we'll come and see us at Craft Life Bendigo. One more day to go. As we go round, we've got Old Mill Quilting. Here, I know you're having something to eat, and that's fine. I'm doing an afternoon stroll. How are you?
Good, thanks.
That's good. Do you want it? Sorry to catch you while we're eating, but I thought...
Been so flat out.
It has.
Having lunch right now.
That's what I just said, but even the mornings, I haven't had a chance to get round in the mornings.
No.
So you're from Old Mill Quilting. Whereabouts are you?
We are halfway between Geelong and Ballarat.
Wonderful. All right, and you're having a great day?
We are having a
Great
day.
show? Yep.
Yeah, looking forward to tomorrow.
Yes, yes. And you can come down. You've got one more day. We've got one more day to go
We've got
through.
one more day to go and 2 more classes to go.
2 more classes. Yeah, I've got 4 more to go. Yep.
All right.
All right, Dale.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye. We've got the ladies over here. How are we? I'm doing an afternoon stroll instead of a morning stroll that I normally do. So did you want to introduce yourself and say where your business is from?
Simone from Catharina's Vintage Stitches, and we're based in Fiabrum, Victoria.
Wonderful.
In the main street there, yeah.
Yep, and you've got contacts I can put in the link below for all Facebook or website and that sort of thing?
Certainly do.
Okay, I'll come back and get those in a minute.
No
All right, but that's great, and you're having a great show? We've got one more day to go?
One more day to go,
Yes.
having a fantastic show. It's
That's
great.
why I thought I'll do a little stroll now. If we're all looking a little bit haggard, that's because we've had a great 3 days. Yes. All right, guys. Thank you. Thank you. We've got Vita-life. We've got Kaz here with all her every sewer needs. Hi, Kaz. How you going? Good, thanks. That's good. So we've got her here with all her every sewer needs, with all the cutters and her bins and rulers and everything like that. We've got Karen from Katie's Patchwork with Sid. How are we? I'm doing a little afternoon stroll. Yeah, so we're all a bit tired, and we all know because we've had a busy 3 days. But I
We're
thought,
looking for the report to the drink to celebrate. What a great show.
Hey, how much booze are you going to pay for?
not Daddy.
Where's your free booze?
All right, no free one. There you go. So come and see Karen. I'll put Karen's details below. We've got George and Anne here with crystals and more. There's George. Hello guys.
hello,
We've still got some ladies in here because we're still open. Let's go round. We've got Robin from Cascade House. She's busy as well. Hi Robin, how are we? Good, good. I'm doing an afternoon stroll because I've been so busy the last few mornings. So we're going through. Yes, well, one more day.
Big day today.
Big day today, and we've got another one tomorrow.
Absolutely.
Yes, definitely. Plenty of heaters around. Look, we can even scan. There's Sally and Brett. Hi Sally, hi Brett.
guys.
Just an afternoon stroll rather than the morning one.
We get lazy at this hour of the day.
We do.
It's been a busy day.
I've actually had a couple of ladies having their lunch because it's that late. We've been busy, so I get it. But I thought I'll go for a little afternoon stroll now. Here we go. We've got the stitches and things. We've got them around here with all their wool. Let's go. There you are. There's Colleen. There we go. Hello, how are we?
We're good.
That's good. Little afternoon stroll.
Nice.
Yes, yes.
Exercise.
Yes, definitely wake me up and watch everyone else. We've got card making and scrapping over here. How are we? Hello. Just a little wave. We're going to go round. Who else could we go? Let's go past me again. Hi Joe, there's Joe from Sewjo. How are we? Good, just going for an afternoon stroll. Going for an afternoon stroll. How was your day?
Very good today.
Yes.
Craft Alive was great today. Lots of people, lots of excited people coming in and looking what we've got to offer.
Yes, yes. Do you want to stroll back to your one and we can have a look at what you've got on offer?
You can.
All right, let's just go for a little walk because it's not far. So we'll go down, we'll go past Elva with her miniature gardens. Hello, how are we? We're doing an afternoon stroll. An afternoon stroll. We got Maria here with all the lovely Just Sweets. How are you?
Hello.
Yep, come down. We've still got lots and lots of yummy, yummy chocolates and lollies to do. That's all right. And here's Joe's. Here we are.
Here's my stand.
Here we
I've
are,
got
Joe.
friends giving me lollies.
There you go. Of course. Hi,
We've been
Michelle.
demonstrating how to colour.
How to colour?
How to colour using Inktense pencils. So all of the stitcheries are coloured
The
using
coat comes with it.
Inktense.
Yes.
Yeah, the Coke's a bit of a afternoon delight.
Yes. I'm sorry, I'm catching everyone eating and everything at the moment, so that's okay.
We've had a chance to do it.
Yes, exactly, because it's been lovely and busy. There we go. Here we go. Here's Lizzie and Hans from Know How Sewing.
Hello girls, how are we?
How are we? We're doing well? Busy?
Oh, we have been flat out. We've done fabulous demonstrations on our new True Cut rulers.
Yes.
Got a great range of the new
quilting thread for domestic and long arm machines.
Wonderful, lovely big displays.
Yeah, we've got
Lots
great
of range.
specials on threads at the moment.
There we go.
That's our Christmas special, so come on down.
Come on down. We've got one more day, just doing the afternoon stroll. Hello, Hans. How are we? So Hans is here. He'll help you with any of the technical side of sewing machines and everything. All right. So I'm going to go up this way and go back home to my stall, and I'll do some more tomorrow. Hello, people from the Village Patch, Maldon. How are we? I'm doing an afternoon stroll rather than a morning one, so I thought I'd catch us while we're doing a little bit of a down because it's been so busy of the morning.
It's been great.
It's been fantastic. Do you want to just say where you are and that sort of thing? Who's going to talk? There we go.
I'm Lee from the Village Patch in Maldon, and we're 30 minutes out of Bendigo, so come and have a look.
Come and see your locals. Yes, definitely. Come and have a look. All right, guys, I'll put links below. Yes, yours. Oh, you're next door. That's right. Yes.
So again, we're in Maldon. What a great town for craft.
It
Come
is.
along and spend the day in Maldon.
Yes.
We've got a wonderful wool shop. We've got a wonderful patchwork shop.
Yes.
Come a great place to spend the day.
Wonderful. All right, well, I'll put a couple of links below in the descriptions below so everyone will be able to catch you up from somewhere. Okay, well, go past this one, the wool stash. See us later. Go through doing the wool stash here. And then we've got the who have we got? Oh, we've got soaporders.com on the corner here. How are you? Just doing a little afternoon stroll while we're all sort of having a bit of downtime because it's been so busy and lovely. All right.
And I'm restocking.
And restocking, yes. So whereabouts are you from? Whereabouts are
I'm
you?
in Melbourne,
Yes.
in South Caulfield.
Wonderful. And you've got a website and everything as well?
Soaporders.com.au.
I'll put a link below for everyone to be able to link onto it, okay? No worries at all. Have a great day and enjoy your day tomorrow, our last day. So come and see us down here at Craft Alive Bendigo. Here we are with the ladies here who are next door to me with the Hillbilly Scrappin.
That's right.
Right. Did you want to just introduce yourself, Del, and just say where you're from?
Hi, I'm Jenny from Hillbilly Scrappin. Excuse the glasses
That's
dropping
all
down on my nose. Come and see us on site 15 and Mel with Scrappin Crafts.
Wonderful. Yes.
14.
I'm 14. And you've got some make and takes and everything they can do
We
here.
have got alcohol classes tomorrow, which have been going like a boom. We have our shabby chic tag and
We
Mel.
have our bird
Yes.
paintbrush using magic paints. These are the same colour paints. Depending on put you on white, I put them on black. They're different colours.
Different colours, woohoo! All right, ladies, come on down. As I said, it is an afternoon stroll that I'm doing, so we're all just winding down from a very busy Saturday, and we've got Sunday to go. So let's all enjoy the afternoon. We've got our drinks this afternoon, and then we're back here for the last day. So thanks so much for coming for this afternoon stroll with me. All right. And what I'll do is I'm going to sign off here from here now, and we're going to come on in, make sure you have a look. If you want to come down to one of my workshops, 10, 11, 1 and 2, they're all different and totally free to sit in at. So have a great afternoon, great Saturday night, and we may see you tomorrow here at Craft Alive Bendigo. Happy sewing!